Hi, welcome to CPR Savers product review. My name is Celine and today we'll be looking at our CPR Savers emergency pressure bandage. This practical all-in-one bandage incorporates 2 sanitary dressings, pressure applicator, and a closing mechanism. The emergency pressure bandage removes the need for extra equipment to stop bleeding by applying pressure to the wound site using the built-in applicator. This product is so easy to use it can even be self-applied if necessary. To view this product, visit our website at CPR-savers.com and type CPRS-BAND-4 into the search bar to be brought to the product page, or call up our customer service excellence team at 1-800-480-1277. Thanks for watching.